sort of clean inside. Dang, nice dash pad. Check your radio, AM, FM. I wonder if it's even a cassette. 8-track. Nah, it doesn't seem like it. Oh, that'd be hours to get that thing out. Nothing in the glove box. Man, these door panels are immaculate. 76,000 miles, probably original. Wow, look at that beautiful dash pad. Which is going to be worth some money. I'm not sure how it'll come off, but it could. Beautiful. Let's see what's in the trunk. Look at that steering wheel. Rotted quarters. Trunk. Oh, someone's been in the trunk. I don't have a key. Key won't work because they've ripped it open. Huh. Rust rotted out. Huh. Pretty bad shape. Here's the front. Oh, look at that nice grill. Pretty nice. When was the last register to look in the back? See if we can open this thing up. Dual horns. This horn's got something awesome. Can we figure out what year this is? Cooling system, timing, exhaust emissions, huh? Nothing about a year. That's about a big tour of the thing.